Isles of Scilly are located southwest of the UK. We stayed on the island of St Mary's, visiting St Martin's and Tresco. We travelled there via the Scillion Ferry from Penzance, and we flew back while using Skybus, a flight from St Mary's, landing at Land's End, took about 15 minutes. Our dog Dino came along with us, who we discovered was not a massive fan of kayaking. We took in the lovely Caribbean-like ocean blue sea, sandy beaches, took many hiking trails with amazing views. Please like, subscribe. If you have any questions at all about this trip, please let me know. I will come back to you. We thought they hired wetsuits and they don't, so that's a point to remember, which is why I'm wearing this lovely fashionable outfit here. Don't know if you can see that. And Nigel's actually looking quite nautical in his. But they do provide dog life preserves. So we're at St Martin's. Because the weather's not brilliant today, and we've been told that we just need to stay around this face of the island, not to go around the back because there's some quite strong tides, rip tides. It's a little bit breezy, but it's not too bad. Dino wants to get off now.
Do you think he wants to get off?
Yeah.
Good boy. I'm running. I'm doing a runner. What are you doing? Are you doing the steeple race?
So we were going to have the kayaks for a full day, but it was just a little bit chilly, so now we've decided to take a hike around St Martin's. We're going to walk half the island, stopping off at a pub that we've seen. There's a few cafes here. And then see how long it's going to take us and find out what we're seeing.
Some drinks?
Yes, please. Some crisps, sweat. A crazy car. Today is our last day on the Isles of Scilly, and we're going to go for a walk before we get a flight back with Skybus, which I am not looking forward to.
I'm fine, I can't wait for it.
And it's going to be the first flight for Doggy. The flight's about... He doesn't know yet, no. The flight is about 20 minutes, so I'm hoping it's not too rough or anything, but we shall see. So we just got the Skybus here, well, the Skybus bus that picked it up from the hotel, but apparently there's a delay on the flights because of mist or fog. Yeah, so there's quite a few people waiting, so we're just going to see what the situation is.
Curtain ride, wasn't
Yeah.
it?
So, 2 of us and a dog.
Yeah, take a seat for the minute, please, or I'll keep you updated.
Lovely.
Okay.
Right, thank you. First class, Dino. Flight.
Just hold here with me for a sec, just to make sure everyone gets out okay. Because those doors don't give you a whole lot of time.